Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq and SPX price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Let's dive in Nasdaq to see what happened for this daily close and of course to see what we can expect for tomorrow. So basically this can be an impulse. If we dive a little bit in the 5-minute chart here, I would like to see the structure of it. Yes, of course it is an impulse. We have a 1 2 and then wave 3 1 2 3 4 and a 5 a 4 and a 5 finished, of course, impulse. Therefore we have to consider at least this might be an A, B and a C, as we mentioned as well this in the previous video, that yeah, if we dive deeper here with the price action and we hit this potential scenario 23K700, well, it's not nice to see. So we have to be careful with it, guys. Unless, of course, we get a little bit bounce for the wave B more than this, turning this a little bit less sharp, right? So for the 1-to-1 fib level, meaning zigzag here, yes. So this is what you would like to see. A little bit higher wave B can prevent, of course, this invalidation. But currently, if this is your wave B, your 1-to-1 fib level, of course, is above this invalidation of bullish. Now, it can be, yes, a finished 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. Well, this is already one single wave 5. But the problem is that it can be as well 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very shallow here, and then 4 and a 5 again. Yeah, so meaning double 1, 2, double 4, 5 can be finished already here. Okay, so we don't want to take the risk about the count with the micro here. Therefore, simply, of course, we're going to take this into consideration as invalidation of bullish, right? Meaning 1, 2, if we see the wave 4 interfering there, well, we have to raise an alert here, right? So we have to be careful, guys. We're going to see if this is going to transform to something impulsive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. Breaking the 1-to-1 fib level also is another indication, even if this wave B is high, and let's say the 1-to-1 fib level is here. If we break, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level, overshooting it, definitely, of course, then we are bearish, guys. Okay, so we have to be careful. Key level 1-to-1 and the invalidation of bullish here to be watched for Nasdaq. And what does it mean? Let's say it happens. What is the scenario? It's going to be a 3 waves down for a wave A. You got a W in a zigzag, X in between as a bridge, another zigzag for a wave Y. Meaning finishing this as a W, X, and a Y, 3 waves toward the upside. And after this, you're looking, of course, for a wave C. After a wave B here, in perfect fib levels for wave B, 1.23 has been hit. And of course, we have to consider it, of course, in as high possibility here, and especially that we see an impulse right now, and that is this invalidation very close to the price action. We might see, of course, a continuation for lower prices in a wave C. Yep, so that was it for Nasdaq. If we take a look also at SPX, well, SPX looks like it start to show something different. Decoupling a little bit from Nasdaq, we see higher wave B here. I don't see a clear impulse, honestly. And let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 is longer than wave 3 a little bit here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 5 is 3 wave as well. Or even 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 interfering, also no impulse. Unless 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, A, B, and a C. Okay, can be a possibility also, but I doubt a little bit the wave 1, but still can be 1, 2, 3, 3 here finished, and then 4 and a 5. 1 second, 1, 2, 3. Well, here 1, 2, 3. Yeah, but yeah, I don't like it, guys. No. There is no impulse here. There is no impulse for SPX, and especially on the 15-minute already also looking like 3 waves. Yeah, I doubt it so much, of course. I mean, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here again, but internally, as we saw, that is a problem here. With the wave 5, also, I doubt the wave 1 at the same time. And therefore, I think we might be corrective, of course, in ABC. But in this case scenario, of course, we still have to watch the invalidation. But what is much more clearer that even, yeah, with this wave B here, it's very, very hard to invalidate this this impulse. And basically, of course, you might have a wave 4 over there and then continuation toward the upside. In case that you have finished a wave 3, you might look right now after a wave 4. So the wave 4 also has to be kind of like not so much long in time. So I believe it's gonna be simple flat or simple zigzag hitting the 1-to-1 level and continuation for higher prices. I would say SPX is showing a better, yeah, a better sentiment for bullish more than Nasdaq. But yeah, we're gonna, I mean, it's already decoupling. It's already a little bit different than Nasdaq, but yeah, it shows a little bit much higher, like higher sentiment for bullish more than Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a little bit more aggressive, right? So we're gonna see, guys. We're gonna see, of course, step by step invalidation and, of course, key levels to be watched for Nasdaq and SPX. That was it for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments and for your support as usual. See you in the next one and tomorrow, of course. Bye bye.